If this male splash tetra is going to mate successfully, he needs the water level to rise. It's low at the moment, but every drop of rain brings it closer to his requirements. When begins to ease, he tries to find out if he's high enough yet. A few well-aimed splashes help him to estimate the distance. He's looking for a place where a female can lay her eggs away from predators. Assess the situation properly, he does something truly extraordinary. The water he splashes onto the leaf momentarily delays his fall back into the river. Now he turns his attention to a female, because what comes next needs the two of them. If they're to mate successfully, they must hit the leaf simultaneously. After she's laid her eggs, he spreads his jaw and fins to help him cling on just long enough to fertilize them. This extraordinary way of laying keeps the eggs safe from underwater predators, but for him it creates one final challenge. Out of the water, the eggs are in danger of drying out. Problem solved. With the female gone, he alone takes the responsibility for ensuring their eggs will stay wet until they hatch in a few days' time.